Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can parent an object in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. So I will duplicate this cube. So Shift D, duplicate. Okay, and now I would like to make this cube in the middle as the parent, as the one that's the other cubes will follow this cube because it's the parent, right? So I'll show you how you can do it. It's pretty simple. Just select the cubes around the middle one, and now when as you can see, we have these cubes around the main cube, and maybe you can see, but the cube in the middle has a different color. You can see here, like this and this one, there's different colors, right? The middle one is the only one that has a different color because I selected it, the last one. It was the last one that was selected. So that means this is the parent. So whenever you're selecting an object and it's the last one you select, that means that's gonna be the parent. Okay, if I select now this one or this one, that's the cube, that's going to be the parent. So now how we're selecting the parent, how we define this cube as the parent. So what you have to do, there are two ways using the hotkeys or the manual way. I'll show you first the manual way. Go to object and then parent and an object and click here object, or Control P, that's what I like to do, Control P, and now here set parent to object. And now this should work if I move this cube, or if I press on S and then I increase, and then on the, let's say in the X, or no, the Y side axis, I will increase now. Yeah, now as you can see, they are following the parent. I hope you understand. I don't know if I explain pretty well, because yeah, I don't know if I explain it correctly, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, now as you can see, the smaller cubes can do what they want, you know. But if the cube is moving, the parent is moving, the other cubes that are attached to this cube, the parent cube, they will follow the parent cube. Okay, now if I press on G, now you see the cube, the other cubes are following the main one. So that's very good. You can use this for a lot of different situations. Let's say you have I don't know, a house, and inside your house, you have a lot of objects, furniture, and for some reason you want the furniture to follow the house, right? Or maybe hands. For hands is good as well. Fingers, you know, when you move fingers. Yeah, there's a lot of usages. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Take care.